Each finished cable assembly will have a non-adjustable quick connect lag fitting on one end and a quick connect lag tensioner on the other end. Return to the first termination post. Apply a drop or two of high-strength thread locking compound to the threads. Spin the quick connect lag fitting onto the hanger bolt until it bottoms out. At the top termination post, we are installing quick connect lag tensioners. Do not use a thread locking compound on these threads. First, spin the lock nuts onto the hanger bolts. Then attach the quick connect lag tensioner and rotate the body 4 complete turns. Do not use a thread locking compound on the quick connect lag tensioner end, or you will not be able to properly tension the cable. Continue around the deck, installing the quick connect lag fittings on one side and the quick connect lag tensioners on the other.